addition on removing brackets with multipliers. Examples. Remove brackets and simplify this expression. Solution. We have 3a plus 2 into bracket a plus 2b. Now, this is a binomial expression, and we have a multiplier here, which is 2. So in this case, for the first term, we just write it like that. So this is going to be 3a. Then for this, we are going to expand, because this particular side is having a multiplier outside. So we are going to use this 2 to multiply this first. 2 times a, what do we have? That's 2a. That same multiplier will multiply this. 2 times 2, what do we have? That's 4. Don't forget we have b, so 2 times 2b will give us 4b. Now the next thing is to add the like terms. And fortunately we have 3a and 2a's together, so we don't need to rearrange. So we have 3a plus 2a, what do we have? That's 5a plus 4b. You cannot add 5a and 4b together. Why? It remains like this. The reason is this, because 5a and 4b, they are unlike terms. So the answer to this question is 5a plus 4b. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.